Masisigurado ho ba ng ating 2,500 lawyers na ibibigay nila yung talagang tinuro ninyo na serbisyo sa ating nangangailangan na mamamayan, marginalized?
We have monitoring system, and monthly they submit accomplishment reports, number of clients, number of cases, winning cases, losing cases. You know, kahit na-convict, basta napababa sentensya o napaparol o napa-probation, panalo ka na.
That's a win.
Yeah. So, I want them to feel that being a public attorney is a passion for justice. This is not just for fun. This is a big responsibility because the life and death of your client lies on your hands. Pag nakulong ka, para ka na rin binitay. You could see the situation in jails, highly congested.
Yes.
So para ka nang binitay ng unti-unti, like the song Killing Me Softly. Pero sabi ko nga, pag binitay, sandali lang, pahinga na. Like what Jose Rizal said, or National Hero said, morir is para descansar. Mientras vivir is para sufrir. Ganun talaga, pero yung unti-unti kang mamamatay sa init, sa sakit, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
At minsan, hindi na, natural death. Human factor, nasaksak ka,
Yes.
inunan ka sa loob, wala na. That was part of my dissertation. Deaths in jail, mga kamatayan sa kulungan. I depended that before I graduate as Doctor of Social Development.
Yes, Chief.